Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you my little desk, the area where I work, where I draw all of the pet stuff and all the illustrations that I do. And yep, let's do it. When you get to the apartment, the first thing that you see is my desk and my artwork, which makes me feel shy sometimes because it's the first thing that people see when they visit us. And it's pretty simple. I decided to have a corner desk because this was the only area that was open in the apartment to have a desk for me. John has his desk in the room, and yeah, it's actually nothing crazy. I don't have a lot of light. Well, right now I do because the sun is coming from the window, but most of the time it's really dark, which is hard for me because I need a lot of light to draw. But I have a lamp right here. It's a really old one. I should get a new one. We have my computer. I'm gonna close it right now because it's distracting. And I have my notebooks, my planner. I got a 2020 planner and I'm still using it because I need to write down the things I need to do even when we are in this situation. I like to have some kind of organization in my life, like, how do you say that, to write down things I have to do, otherwise I don't do anything. My notebook where I write down ideas that I have. This thing that I don't know how you call, but it eats paper. That thing. And there I have my journal where I write about my daily life, about things that I'm concerned about, or my dreams. I have my favorite book right now, and down here I have all my supplies. That's why I love this desk too, because it had this area. I didn't want to have this there, so I love the fact that it's hiding right here because it's a mess. I have a lot of pastels here. You can see it's pretty messy. Like this. I have color pencils, regular pencils. I have my color pencils here, my Prismacolor pencils. I don't use them that much because I'm not good with color pencils. I have watercolors. I love watercolors. And this is the one I use when I travel. The quality is not that good, but I can sketch and do stuff. And I can put it in my book bag when John and I travel. This is a cute bag that my sister-in-law gave me. She likes to sew. She has really cool stuff, and she gave me this one. I loved it because it has this little Mexican thing here. And this one I have a lot of watercolor and watch. I still struggle to pronounce that. And I have my pastel pencils and a lot of stuff. I'm not very organized, as you can see. I have some copy markers, pencils, watercolors, everything. I have my paper that I use for pastels, for watercolors, to sketch, and for markers. And I use these envelopes to ship drawings when I get orders. I have some how do you say this, all this stuff, stationery stuff, no idea. Back there I have sketchbooks. That one is a travel journal that I have. It's full right now, but I like to keep it to remember 2018, that it was the year when John and I traveled the most. And I have a lot of stuff I might show you another time. Some art supplies, more art supplies, and the messy basket with more art supplies and some cables and stuff. Really nothing special. As you can see, that's it. And right here I have some pencils. These ones are the ones that I use the most, so I like to have them here so I can grab them really fast. Yeah, this is nothing special. I have, the eraser should be here. And this is a little box where I put my rings. So I like to have it here because I spend most of the time here, and I can put it before I go to sleep. and I can take them and put them on in the morning. I don't like to sleep with rings. Yep, nothing more here. And I have art on the walls. Most of them are dogs. When I don't have commissions, I spend a lot of time without working permission. When I came here, when we got married, I wasn't allowed to work immediately. I had to wait a couple months. So what I was doing is I was searching on Instagram for cute dogs, and I was just drawing them for fun, so I could keep my Instagram account active. And these are the ones that I drew back then. Right now I don't do it that much because I have real orders, so I don't have the time. Sometimes, once in a while. This one actually I did it last week. It was just for fun. My bad drawing of Billie Eilish. More dogs. This is me. I drew this before I moved to New York with John because I was concerned about many things. I didn't know what was gonna happen, and this is me being worried about the future. And I like to keep it here because it reminds me of how it felt back then. Now I'm okay, but I like to have it there as a reminder that I was a little bit scared, and now I'm okay. And yeah. So that was it, guys. This is my little desk. I hope you liked it. It's really nice for me. I have everything I need right here. It's probably too small for some artists. They might need more space. I would love to have more space, but it's all I can get right now. And actually works for me because I don't work with big stuff. Most of my drawings are small, so I have the perfect space right here, and I don't complain. I hope you like this tour, and please let me know what you think. And if you're an artist too, let me know what's your favorite part of your desk. And I promise you I'm gonna draw more, and I'm gonna talk more with you. I'll keep practicing my English with you. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and thank you so much for your support and your comments. I'll see you next time.